The 1996 Colani Horch Mega-Roadster is a one-off concept car created by German designer Luigi Colani, a key figure of biomorphic and aerodynamic design in the late 20th century. The project was conceived as a tribute to the lost German luxury brand Horch, founded in 1901 by August Horch and active until 1939. Horch later became part of Auto Union in 1932, a predecessor of modern Audi. For Colani, the disappearance of Horch symbolized the decline of Germany's great pre-war luxury marques, a loss he took personally. Colani imagined how Horch might have looked if the brand had been reborn at the end of the 20th century. The Mega-Roadster was unveiled to the public in 1996, most notably at the Essen Motor Show. Conceptually, it followed Colani's earlier Lagan concept from 1976, but pushed its ideas further. The car combines neoclassical luxury proportions with Colani's signature biomimicry, rejecting straight lines almost entirely. Every surface is curved, intended to echo the human body and improve aerodynamics. The exterior is deliberately excessive. Bulbous front fenders reminiscent of the Utah 8 dominate the profile, paired with an extremely long hood and a dramatic cowl-to-front axle ratio. The grille recalls classic Buick designs but is stretched and softened. Initially painted silver with a removable hardtop and black wall tires, the car was later repainted purple and fitted with white wall tires, increasing its visual extravagance. One of its most striking features was the hood ornament, a sculpted nude female figure lifting a crowned H, symbolizing the rebirth of Horch and Colani's sensual design philosophy. Despite its grand appearance and references to a proposed 16-cylinder engine, the Mega-Roadster used a Ford V8, reportedly a 460 cubic inch unit producing around 620 horsepower. The cowl area incorporated various General Motors components, while the dashboard drew heavily from aftermarket parts, including items from a Jegs catalog. Butterfly-style doors provided access to the cabin. After its debut, the car largely disappeared from public view and was stored for years. Following Colani's death in September 2019, the Mega-Roadster was auctioned in December 2019 in the Swiss canton of Aargau to cover storage debts. The car was sold without documentation and without its unique hood ornament. As of the mid-2020s, reports suggest the Mega-Roadster may now reside in the United States. Today, the 1996 Colani Horch Mega-Roadster stands as a radical, controversial, and fascinating artifact, part automotive sculpture, part historical homage, and a pure expression of Luigi Colani's belief that aerodynamics and art should be inseparable.